Just a real quickie. Wanted to show you guys my bird feeding production. That's just a little bit of them, but they keep coming in. Those are all mourning doves and ringneck doves, them Asian doves. They came and just messed up the original doves. But I've noticed that the mourning dove, they like to be around them because they're bigger. They feel safer. You can see that cat food just right at the edge of that sidewalk. That's what the starlings and magpies eat. But just wanted to show you. Ciao.